Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing some 80s inspired glam, some 80s hair and some 80s makeup. So let's get into it. Okay, so first it's going to be the eyeshadow, and I'm just priming my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer. I'm gonna do like pink and purple up top, maybe some glitter, and then blue underneath and pink lips, because that's kind of the theme that I've been seeing for the 80s hair and makeup. But all of the pictures that I have been seeing haven't even been like actually from the 80s. It's like other people who have recreated it as well, so I don't really know how accurate it is, but that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna have fun with it. Okay, so the goal with the eyeshadow is to be pretty bold, pretty bright. So using the BH Cosmetics Back to Brazil palette, since it's pretty electric, and I'm just gonna start out with a pink shade all over, and then, well, I'm gonna start kind of at the top with the pink, and then use a purple on the lid and use like a purple shimmer on the lid, and then use a blue underneath my eyes. Alright, so the pink is all blended out. And then I'm just gonna go on the outer part of the lid with this purple shade. And then I'm gonna use a purple glitter as well. And then after I have the foundation on, later on I will put the blue underneath my eye. But I'm not gonna do it right now because I'll end up going over top of it anyhow, so. Alright, so finished blending that out and put some silver glitter on the inside, and then cleaned it up with makeup wipe. And now we're gonna start on the face. Alright, and then I'm gonna prep my skin with the Clinique moisturizer. And I'm also going to mix some of the same moisturizer into the foundation. Alright, so now for foundation, I mixed some of the Juvia's Place and the same moisturizer. And then I'm just going to apply it everywhere with this brush, and then blend it out with the foundation brush. Alright, that is all blended out, and then we're using the Neutrogena pressed powder to set that. Alright, that is all set. And then, I know for like the blush, contour, whatever, was very like dark, bright, bold, high up placement, which is perfect because I kind of always do that anyhow. So I'm going to be using the Willy Wonka purple blush, and then I'm going to use a red blush. So basically, instead of like using the regular, doing the regular like bronzer and blush, I'm just gonna kind of do like blush on blush because I feel like that was more accurate. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And it goes with the purple eyes anyhow, so that's what we're gonna do. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I got the blush pretty good. How I want it. And then we're going to do the highlighter. I'm going to use the Shrek highlighter that came in the advent calendar. I don't really think they used highlighter or anything like that, but I'm still going to. It looked like they just used a lot of blush, but this is, you know, a new spin anyhow, so whatever. I'm just gonna use a little bit of that and then some of the Maybelline Master Holographic highlighter. Alright, I'm just gonna take a teal shade from the same palette as earlier and just apply it under here. Okay, so that's all done, and now we're gonna do eyeliner and lippy stick. I also took the makeup off my lips and eyebrows and put gel in my eyebrows. And we're gonna use the Revolution eyeliner. Just gonna throw some of that in the waterline. And that's it. I'm not doing any crazy wings or anything of the sorts. Just something simple. Surprising, I know. Alright, then for lipstick, I was gonna do pink lips, but these lip glosses from Kiki's Cosmetics put together kind of look purple, pink, and blue with all the different glitters. So that's what we're gonna do. First one is called Kissed. It's the purpley one. Get some of that on there. And then we're gonna use the white one that has like purple and glue glitters. Whoops. Alright, so I just finished the lips. Focus. And put a little mascara on the top and the bottom. Look how electric that looks. I love that so much. And now it's time to throw on some lashes and revamp this hair. And then we're good to go. Okay, so eyelashes and mascara are done. I threw in these little glamorous hoops. And now it's time to revamp my hair. This is the curler that I use. I wanted to show that because everybody loves it says Tool Science. It's really old, obviously. Because everybody loves my 80s hair. It has the clip on it, but I don't use it like that unless I want more soft beachy waves. But if I want the old school like bouncy curls, I wrap it around like this. I'm just gonna curl all the longer pieces that are flat because as you can tell it was already curled. And then once I do all that, I will go in with the straightener to get the bangs. Actually, no, I'll probably just use this curler. You can use the curler or the straightener. The straightener works better. It makes it stay longer and it gives it a better look. But I'm not keeping this in anyhow, because I'm gonna go get a shower. So I don't really care how good it looks or how much it stays. So I will be back. Okay, here is the finished look. I just curled all the longer pieces like I showed and then curl these top pieces back, tease them, curl the bangs down, tease them, spray everything. If you want 80s hair that's gonna stay up like this, I just had to show off, but this is the hairspray that you want. I'm always preaching, it's the Freeze It. You can get it at Walmart. I have not found it at Target or the dollar store. You might be able to. That's the hairspray. Then I use this Conair comb to tease. You can use anything to tease it. I do not use a hairbrush. You do not brush this. Like, it's literally better to do it when it's dirty or when it's already been curled or whatever. Curled hairspray teased, because it just makes it even better, even bigger, crazier. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Bye-bye. Oh, I had to show my outfit. My little tied up flannel top. Peace.